This is a short video about the Federal Aviation Administration's noise policy review. It explains the FAA's current noise policy. Black text signifies what is being covered by this video, while gray text signifies what is covered in other videos in this series. This video describes FAA's current noise policy. The FAA uses the yearly day-night average sound level noise metric, abbreviated as DNL, and the 65 decibel noise threshold to make policy assessments in three primary areas. First, in establishing the level of aviation noise exposure below which residential land use is compatible, is defined in the Aviation Safety and Noise Abatement Act of 1979, or ASNA, and 14 CFR Part 150, commonly called Part 150. Second, in establishing the level of aviation noise exposure below which noise impacts of FAA and federal actions in residential areas are not considered significant under the National Environmental Policy Act of 1969, or NEPA. And third, in setting the FAA's noise goal for reducing the number of people exposed to significant noise around U.S. airports. In all cases, the FAA relies on the DNL 65. It is the recommended level below which residential and other noise-sensitive land uses are considered compatible with aviation noise. It is the level used for determining significant impact in NEPA studies, and it is the level used to report trends in the number of people exposed to high levels of aviation noise across the country. Social surveys can be conducted to determine the level of annoyance resulting from different noise sources, including aviation noise. Annoyance is a summary measure of the general adverse reaction of people to noise that causes interference with speech, sleep, the desire for a tranquil environment, and the ability to use the telephone, radio, or television satisfactorily. The results from annoyance surveys can then be used to better understand how people respond to different levels of noise exposure. The FAA works on aviation noise research initiatives with other government agencies. The noise threshold used for current FAA noise policy is informed by a dose-response curve created in the 1970s known as the Schultz Curve. Based on the data available at the time, the Schultz Curve provided a useful method for representing the community response to noise. In 2021, the FAA published the Neighborhood Environmental Survey to measure changes to public perception to aviation noise. A new national curve was created by combining survey responses with modeled aircraft noise levels. Compared with the existing Schultz curve, the new national curve shows a substantial increase in the percentage of people who are highly annoyed by aircraft noise over the entire range of aircraft noise levels considered, including at the lower noise levels. Compared with the existing Schultz curve, the new national curve shows a substantial increase in the percentage of people who are highly annoyed by aircraft noise over the entire range of aircraft noise levels considered, including at lower noise levels. When comparing the two curves, a variety of factors should be considered. Both analyses were conducted using the best survey data and understanding available at their time. However, many changes and advances have occurred in the 40 years since the Schultz curve was created. The Schultz curve also considered noise from all transportation-related sources, where the new national curve is specific to noise generated from aircraft operations. For more information on FAA's noise policy, please see the Federal Register Notice and framing paper, The Foundational Elements of the Federal Aviation Administration Civil Aircraft Noise Policy, the Noise Measurement System, its component noise metrics, and noise thresholds. Links are provided in the dialog box below. Thank you for watching this video about the FAA's current noise policy.